Did we do the 7th question yesterday? No, I think.
We did the last question.
Last question we did?
Wait.
Huh. Wait, we did? Okay, write down this. Write down this question. Calculate the mean. Calculate the median. First, write down the calculate the median of the data. Okay. Marks obtained. Marks obtained. Here, number of students. More than or equal to 0. Equal to 0, it is 53. Okay. Same way, more than or equal to, it is 10. Okay. It is given as 48. More than or equal to 20. Okay, it is given 45. Same way, more than or equal to 30. More than this or equal to this 30. Okay. So it is given 41. Then again more than or equal to 40. It is 38. Next more than or equal to 50. It is 35. More than or equal to 60. It is 31. Then more than or equal to 70. It is 24. More than or equal to 80. It is 15. And more than or equal to 90. It is 8. So they have given like this. More than equal to 0, it is 53. More than 0 means everything will come, correct? More than that means everything total, it is 53 now. Understood? Total it will be 53 then. Next comes the more than or equal to 10. More than 10 it is 48. And more than 0 it is 53. So from 0 to 10, how much will be the number? 5. That difference. See, more than 0 means everything will include. That is 53. Then more than 10. That is until 0 to 9 that we have left over. We have left it. More than 10, it is 48. Okay. So, from 0 to 10. Okay. From 0 to 10, it will be 53 minus 48. So, it is 5. Okay. Class interval and the frequency here. Next, more than 20 it is 45, more than 10 it is 48. So 10 to 20 it will be difference between these two. 10 to 20. So it is 3. Okay. More than 20, 45. More than 30, it is 41. So 20 to 30, it is 45 minus 41. It is 4. Next, more than 30, 41, more than 40, 38. Clearly the difference from 30 to 40. So here it is 3. Then this is done, right? Now 40 to 50. The difference is what? 3. Okay. Then 50 to 60. So difference will be 4. Then 60 to 70. Difference is 7. Then 70 to 80. Huh. Then 80 to 90. 7. Okay, more than 90 means whatever it will come. So you have to take it as 90 to 100 because all 10 we are taking, no? So take it as 90 to 100, it is 8. And sometimes I have seen they give the problems like that. Not always, but sometimes they give. The same median problem they are giving in a different way. That's it. Okay. So if you feel difficult, more than or equal to is there, just remember C. How much difference is there? 10 difference is there. Class interval size will be 10. And take these two difference. Last one, take it as it is. Okay, mugging up, you can do that at least. Huh? And understanding also you would have done, no? You can do it. Decreasing. And total will be 53 here. Okay, total will be 53. So n is equal to 53 or n by 2 will be 53 by 2. Okay. Total. More than 0 means everything will come. That is here, no? Total. You add everything and check, you will get 53. Like that. Okay. You have to find the median. So what you have to do? You have to calculate the CF value. So it is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 24 plus 7, 9. 29 plus 9, 38. Na? 38 plus 7, 45. And 45 plus 8, 53 you will get. Okay. So n by 2 is 26.5. More than 26.5. Netra, which is the median class here? Hmm? Median means what? How many times I am telling? Keep on telling. Why you people are doing mistake?
26.70.
See, median means first thing remember in mind. First you will calculate CF column. In the CF column, more than n by 2. More than n by 2 is what? 29. So that column is the median class. And if you do mistake in the first step, median class, if you do wrong, he will, for 5 mark, he will give 1 mark for the formula. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Again I repeat, see, first median means you have to calculate CF. In the CF column, n by 2 is 26.5. More than 26.5 in the CF column, select. So 29. So this will be the median. Now calculate median. CF speed. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L, I think correct. Now also remember, you have selected 60 to 70 is the median class. No, the answer will come within that. 60 to 70 only it will come. Okay. Netra, tell me what is L value here? N by 2? 5. Okay. CF value? Good. Earlier than this. So it is CF is this. F value that is 7. H good. So substitute the values. Understood how to take median class? Here you are getting. This is example question. Page number 192. Just I want to do that more than or equal to. I think two ways only will come, less than or more than that. Yesterday we did less than, no? No. That's calculate and tell me, Kiara, how much you will get? And Rita, calculate and tell me how much you will get. Done, no? For the same thing, calculate mode. For the same thing, calculate mode and tell me how much you will get. Modal class. You should leave the CF column. Don't worry about that. Only the frequency column. The highest frequency which is there, that is the modal class. What? You understood? That's not so. See, NE is total sum of all the frequencies. Sum is 53. That means you add everything and get 53 by we have done median, do the mode. No, that is modal frequency. F0, think like F0, F1, F2 will come. F1 is the mode which you would have selected that frequency. F0 is earlier than that. F2 is next. Like that. And you have to check only the F. CF you should not consider. Okay? Which one you did that? When you get still disturbed, it is not concentrating. I can't see that concentration. When you get in the school, they have done it. Okay, fine. What we are doing? What is the problem? This is more than 0 means what? Everything will be complex. See, this will indicate the range. See, for example, the marks is there. From 0 to 10 to 20, how many people have taken? And so, marks from 10 to 20. In that range, marks, how many people have taken this? 10 to 20 in that range. How many people have taken 10 to 20 within that range marks? Because 100 marks is 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, no? So that, like that we are calculating. This is what we are calculating. Now we have to calculate the medium number. So what we will do, this is also this is more than equal to this. Example, that's the class. More than 0 means everyone have taken 53 people. More than 0, 53. More than 10, 48. Between 10 to 20, how many have taken? That's what I said. 53 and 48 5. Here is the concentration by this one is very, very basic. You are writing study. And see, 1 hour if you concentrate here. Otherwise, you have to sit for you. It's not like you can't do. You can do, but it will take more time. Start searching then. Instead of the 1 hour you spend here, the practice is once more. Things will be easier. Why you want to make it hard? Don't be that much concentration on having 9 minutes. It's a problem. You can concentrate. So, more than 10, everything will come. All the numbers. More than 20, it's all. So, between 10 and 20, how much you have? Then more than 20, more than 30, 45. Between 20 to 30, 48, 48 minutes. Correct? So that's what I will return. Correct. Correct. No. How much you got even more? 75. 75. Modal class, correct, 75. See, which is highest frequency is 9, no? 70 to 80. Oh, yes. I did 60. How much you got? 75. Yeah, I could realize it. This is how I do. Why do you want to take exam? You can do it. Correct. You take a little bit more time. 44.5 into 10, 45 by 7. Then you do division. Whatever answer you want to add with this. Here also you get the same. Each one median. We have selected that is the model. Why it is a model class? That is no, this is just to calculate slide. This is the table. There are too much confusion is there. That doesn't work. Okay. See, this is the class interval. Now this is a table we have calculated. This is our table. From this you have to. That's why we did one step to get the class interval. If I am getting here only, why I will do this? Correct. No. So this is the class interval. This is the example. Now tell me which is the model class. In CF column also not required for values. Only for median required. Now tell me. This one. This is the class because in this frequency, which is the highest number 9. So that will be
the mode class. For median only we will check here. For mode, forget CF column. Which is having the highest frequency, that will be the modal class. Highest value, where is that line? So this is the modal class. Now take the data, you are taking this. Why so much confusion? I am not understanding. This is the modal class. If you want, write a note, everyone. Highest frequency which is there, highest value, that will be the model. No, everything is wrong. It's working wrong. Again, you have to do what is L? Lower limit of the modal class. F1, this is F1. So, frequency. This is F1. Earlier than the modal class frequency, that is F0. So, F0 is 7. So, next is succeeding one F2. So, F2 is equal to 7. Okay, H. This is 10. Substitute the values. You understood or not? Which one is yes, yes, myself. What is that myself? You should not add that. Separately, first you should divide whatever answer you get, third you should do. This is correct. 66.42 plus 66.4. 45 plus 7. Just do division. I'm not understanding why you people are getting confused. Median and mode so easy, no? CF column n by 2, first select n by 2. N by 2 is first n is what? Sum of all the frequency, that is 53. N by 2 is 26.5. For the median I am telling, in the CF column more than n by 2 value select, that is 29. This will be the median class, that's all. For mode, forget CF column. Take the F. In this highest value is what? 9. So this will be the modal class. According to that you take the values, that's all, no? Once go home and you should practice. See, even I can't sit in the same chapter, or you can't sit in the same chapter. You have to go forward, because after this we have to do still some difficult problems will be there. Then we have to do sample papers. So many things will be there. So as I finish, you should be also up to date for that. Otherwise, every day you should get up 3 o'clock and you should study. It will become like that. Don't do that. Every day after going home, study for half an hour, or 1 week, whatever we have done, complete in that week. Then only you will be able to do. Otherwise, it's so difficult. Everyone I'm telling. And in the CBSE, not to fear you people, but CBSE will be always, it is medium, not like easy paper you will never get. The paper itself, it is made like that. Okay, medium sometimes it's difficult also, and it will be always lengthy. Whenever you ask someone, 10th standard people go and ask after writing exam, they will tell it was lengthy. It is a common thing. It is lengthy. It is made like that. That means what? You can complete the paper, but you should know everything. Whatever you know, you can write. You can't sit and research there or scratch again, do it. Understood? No. So you have to get ready for that. Every day you should go home, read. Don't think if they have not done in the school, fine, no, we are doing, do it. Practice. When they are doing in the school, it is a revision for you. Okay. Hmm? So, okay, median and mode you have done. For the same thing, shall we do the mean? Assume mean method once. Hmm? You want to do that, right? Once I do the assume mean method, you just no, you will understand. Just take it. It's not so difficult. Okay. Just give the question for me. It's easy only. Do it actually. Just try now. Huh. Write down the same problem. We'll do the assume mean method. Okay. So class interval. You have the frequency. Now CF column, it is useful only for the median. No need for mode and mean. You have to forget that column for mean and median. Okay. So take the frequency now. 0 to 10. It is 5. 10 to 20. 3. 20 to 30. 4. 30 to 40. 3. 40 to 50. 3. 50 to 60. 4. Then 60 to 70. 7. 70 to 80. 9. Then 80 to 90. 7. 90 to 100. 8. Okay. So to calculate the mean means we are actually calculating the average value. Okay, we are actually calculating the average value. CIF. So first we will take the XI column. Okay, in direct method also we had calculated XI column. Here also we will calculate the XI column. So XI means what? Average of these two. That is 10 plus 0. Upper limit plus the lower limit by 2. 10 plus 0 by 2 is what? 5. Then 20 plus 10, 30. 30 by 2, 15. Then 20 plus 30 plus 20, 50. 50 by 2, 25. Then 40 plus 30, 70. 70 by 2, 35. Next, 45. Correct. 55. Next one will be 65, 75, 85, 90. Okay. Next is this is the extra column what we are doing for the assume mean method. Okay. First listen, then you write. Have not. Okay, who have doubt. Now we have DI. DI is the extra column what we are doing for the assume mean method. What is DI? DI is Xi minus A. Okay, you have to select the one middle number here. You can you can select 45 only. Okay, you can take 45 or 55, anything you can take. Okay. Now Xi minus A, this is the Xi value, first value. 5 minus 45, how much you will get? Minus 40. Then 15 minus 45, 30. So it is minus 30 because this is the smaller number is plus, bigger number is minus, that's why. Then 25 minus 45, so 20. Then 35 minus 45 minus 10. Okay, so from every number you have to subtract a. Now xi is a only. Okay, 45 minus 45 is 0. Then now xi is 55. 55 minus 45, 10. Then 65 minus 45, 20. 75 minus 45, 30. Then 85 minus 45, 40. 95 minus 45, 50. Okay, so this is the di column. Next is di into fi. Earlier what we used to do, fi into xi, no? Now we are doing di into fi. Here di value is less when compared to this, right? It will be easier to multiply. Di into fi will be how much? 5 into 40. So it is minus 200. Then 3 3s are 9, minus 90. Here minus 20 into 4, minus 80. Minus 10 into 3, minus 30. 0 into 3, 0. 10 into 4, 40. 20 into 7, 7 2s are 14, so 140.
180.
Huh.
280. 400.
No, 9 into 3, no? 270. Okay, 7 4s are 28. 280. 8 into 5. You got it. Okay. So, mean value will be equal to sigma. I will write A first. A plus what we have assumed, no? A plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. Sigma means sum. So, fi into di you have to add them. So, add the negative numbers separately, positive numbers separately. So, how much you will get? 200, 90, 80, 30. Na?
400.
400 you will get. Okay. So this is minus 400. If you add everything here, 400, 280, 270, 140, 40. 12, 16, 16. One 130, right? So this is the positive number. So then do the subtraction. 1130, 730. Okay. So this is plus and this is minus, so it is plus. So sigma fi into di is 730. What about sigma fi? 53, I think, no? Adding everything. Same question, right? Yeah. Adding all these frequency, it is 53. Now mean will be equal to A is 45 plus sigma fi into di 730 divided by 53. So divide this, whatever answer you will get, add with the 45. I think 15 something you may get. Threes, I think 13 you will get. 13 points of 7 you will get. Okay. 13.7. So mean is equal to 45 plus 13.7. So mean is equal to 58.7. So here mainly what happens means di you will do the subtraction, right? So it will number will reduce when multiply with the frequency, it will be easier. That is why we do that. Step deviation, again another column, divide by some value. H you can divide by 10 here. Some value you can divide. Okay. You understand now? Try once. Only extra column is this. Instead of doing Fi into Xi, we are doing Fi into Di. So this column only sigma Fi into Di. By sigma Fi plus E. We will do here subtraction, no? The number will reduce. That is the only reason. Like that. You feel that only. Done? Right. Direct method. Okay, you can do that. Huh? We did that only. 57.7. I got 58.7. Somewhere some mistake can be there. See, just small mistake can be. You did direct method. Okay, fine. That is also fine.
No, for example, if 57.7 is the answer, and I got 57.7. It's pretty close. Will they give me good marks?
Yeah. Thank you. In exam, if you have time, after decimal, do 2 digits. If you don't have time, after decimal, do only 1 digit is enough. Okay. Depending on the time, you can set. Is it done, everyone? Someone writing? You are writing? Done or you are writing? No. Okay. Missing frequency, we'll do one problem. Hmm. 13.3. We have one problem. Have we done this? Second problem. No, I don't know. 13.3. Second problem. This one? You are not able. Okay. Write down this. Exercise 13.3, second problem. We did? Okay. Okay. We'll do some other problem then. So finding x and y. We'll do another. Okay. Write down this question. The daily expenditure, the daily expenditure of 100 families are given below. Calculate F1 and F2 if the mean daily expenditure is rupees 188. So 140 to 160, it is 5. 160 to 180, 25. 180 to 200 F1, 200 to 220 F2, 220 to 245. Okay. So you have to calculate the missing frequency. They have already given the mean value, that is 188 for this data. But you have to calculate the two missing frequency. Whenever you have two unknowns, then you need two equations to solve that. Okay. So whenever there is two unknowns, they will give total of all these frequency. Frequency is what? Count of people or count of plants, something like that. So this will be the frequency. So sum of all this they will always give whenever there is two missing frequency. Okay. So if you add everything, he has given it is 100 families. So add them, how much you will get? 25 plus 5, it is 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus F2 plus F1. So 35 plus F1 plus F2, it is equal to 100. Or F1 plus F2 is equal to 100 minus 35. This 35 I am shifting to the other side. So F1 plus F2, how much you will get? 65. So this is the first equation. Okay, so this is the first equation. I would have written this side, I think. Written 1 minute, I'll write this side. Table I can write. So we got F1 plus F2 is equal to 65, first equation. Now number of families, it is sum, it is 100. Okay. So what, first calculate the xi. We know the mean value. From that formula you have to calculate you have to find the other equation. So xi will be what? 140 plus 160 by 2. That is 150 you will get in between number. Here it is 170, 190, 10, 230 you will get. This is xi value. Okay, direct mean method only we will use here. Xi we got. Then we have xi into fi. Okay, so xi into fi, 150 into 15, 750. Okay, 170 into 25. 522. You get more. 7. Huh. 4,250 you will get, correct? Okay, next one. 190 into F1. That is 190 F1. Okay. 210 into F2, 210 into F2. We'll write it as it is. Now 230 into 5, how much you will get? 150. Okay. So what is mean value? Mean is equal to a direct mean method, sigma fi into di by sigma fi. Okay, so mean value he has given, that is 188. Sigma Fi into Di, how much we will get? Sorry. Sigma Fi into Xi by sigma Fi. If you add everything, how much you will get? 4250 plus 750.
7150 plus 19.
Correct? Huh. How much you will get? Sigma Fi into Xi? 7?
7150.
Okay. Plus 190 F1 plus 210 F2. Okay. So this is sigma Fi into Xi. Sigma Fi is what? 100. Now, yeah. Huh?
This is not as easy.
How much you are getting? Okay, we'll add and see. Okay.
I'm 6150.
You are getting 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6150. Okay, this is 6. 6150 plus 190 F1 plus 210 F2. Now F1 plus F2 is what? 65. So I can write F1 is equal to 65 minus F2.
Yes.
Substitute that. What you will get? 6150 plus 190 into F1. F1 I can write it as 65 minus F2 plus 210 into F2. Instead of 1, 2 variables, I am trying to make it 1. So F1 I can write it as 65 minus F2. So instead of F1, I will write 65 minus F2 here. So we will get 6150 plus 190 into 65. 12350. Getting. What you people are getting the answer? So then 190 into F2. So plus into minus minus 190 into F2 plus 210 into F2. Okay. Add these two now. 12350 plus 6150.
Eight.
18,500. Okay. And here,
Plus 20.
listen here, F2 same variable, no, just the coefficient you do the subtraction. 210 minus 190, it is 20. So plus 220 into F2. This is sigma Fi into Xi. Now substitute that into the mean, you will get the F2. Okay. Write out this. These type of question, mainly many times we see this type of questions more, missing frequency more. Okay, 15 you are getting. Okay. So F1 will be 65 minus 7. So even in the test now, periodic test now, similar to this type, they can give mean. With the median also they will give sometimes. We'll do that also once.
This
Written? Is it done? Everyone written? So we got sigma Fi into Xi is equal to 18,500 plus 20 F2. Okay. So mean is equal to sigma Fi into Xi by sigma Fi. Mean value it is 188. That is equal to 18,500 plus 20 F2 by sigma Fi, that is 100. Okay. So whenever it goes to the other side, division will become multiplication. So you will get 18,800 when you multiply. That is equal to 18,500 plus 20 F2. Transpose here, you will get 18,800 minus 18,500, 300. That is equal to 20 F2. Now F2 is equal to 300 by 20. So F2 you are getting 15. F1 plus F2 is 65. So how much we got?
50.
Okay. So F1 is equal to 65 minus 15. So F1 is equal to 15. Okay. F1, F2. That's it. Done. Next question, write down. Find the missing frequencies in the following frequency distribution table. If n is equal to 100 and median is 32, and this is an exam question, 2013. Okay. So marks and here number of students. Marks 0 to 10, 10 here, 10 to 20, X, 20 to 30, 25, 30 to 40, 30, 40 to 50, Y, 50 to 60, it is 10, and total they have given it is 100. So with the median formula you have to substitute and then find. So one equation how we can get, adding all the plus x plus y should be equal to 100. So how much you will get here? 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 60, 70, 75. So 75 plus x plus y is equal to 100. X plus y is equal to 25. The first equation. Okay. So to calculate median, what we will do? We will take the CF value. CF is what? Adding the frequency. So first one, it is 10. First listen, you can write afterwards. Okay, if you have doubt. 10 plus x is 10 plus x here. Then 10 plus 25 is what? 35. 35 plus x. 35 plus 30, 65. 65 plus x. Then 65 plus x plus y. Here 65 plus 10, 75. 75 plus x plus y. Now, which is the median class? Listen here, x and y we don't know. Take from the CF. So, whenever the median they have already given, you have to select from this column. Median value, it is 32. That means median will be between 30 to 40. So, this is the median class. Okay, always remember that when they have already given the median value, you have to take that from the this column, class interval. So from 30 to 40 will be the median class. Okay, so median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we selected the median class. L will be what? Lower limit. So 30. N by 2 will be 100 by 2. So n by 2 is 50. CF will be, yeah, earlier than this 35 plus 6. And F is the frequency of the median class. So that is 30. And H is the class size 10 minus 0. It is 10. Okay, now substitute. Median is what? 32. That is equal to L is 30 plus n by 2 is 50 minus of 35 plus x. Minus is there for both. Okay, F is 30, H is 10. Since it is multiplication here, these two are multiplication, I can cancel. Now 32.
Number 50 and 30 minus common.
Don't do that. 32 is equal to 30 plus 50 minus 35 minus 6. No, it is not plus. Divided by 3. 50 minus 35 is 15. 15 minus x by 3. Okay. How much are you getting?
X is 1.
Okay. Then y will be 16. This is done, everyone. Written. So 32 is equal to 30 plus, how much is that? 15 minus 6 by 3. Since see these 30 plus something is there, so you can shift it to the other side. It will not become division, it will become subtraction, because 30 plus something is there, right? 30 minus 32 minus 30, it will be 2. Okay, so that is equal to 15 minus x by 3. 3 into 2 is 6, is 15 minus x. Now minus x shift to here, 6 to the other side. So minus x will become plus x, that is 15 minus 6. So x will be equal to 9. Now x plus y, it is 25. So y is equal to 25 minus 9, y is equal to 60. Okay. Then after this, there is a relationship between median, mode and the mean. Okay, that is 3 times median will be equal to mode plus 2 times the mean. 3 times the median is equal to mode plus 2 times the mean. Okay, this is the relation between median, mode and mean. So 1 mark question, sometimes they give the any two of that, you have to find the other one. Okay, so this is a relation between median, mode and mean. So MCQs, what they will ask, they will give any two, they will ask the other one to find. Done. Okay, it's already time up. Okay, mode also we did, I think, no? So Monday you are having the exam.